Welcome to 2021. I hope this year is way better than last year. Now, today and from now on, I'm going to be making some savory stuff as well. So we're starting with my all-time favorite food ever, and I call it Salmon Delight. Now, it's essentially a smoked salmon bruschetta, but it's so delicious. And just spoiler alert, guys, I'm not holding it up right now because I ate them all. There are none left. So I want to show you just how delicious these are. Now, guys, I hope that you support and like this video because this is my first savory recipe on the Scran line, and I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. But if you guys have suggestions, and I hope you do, I'd love for you to leave them in the comments down below. Let me know which savory dishes, dinners, salads, whatever you'd like to see me make on the Scran line, because we're mixing it up. It's a new year, new me. All right, guys, so this recipe is all about using really good ingredients. So we're gonna be using PANA di CASSA today. It's my favorite bread for this recipe. It's a little bit on the dense side, and it grills really well as well. Now, my PANA di CASSA is not sliced. I like to slice it myself because I want to show you how I do it. So I'm using a serrated knife, and we're just going to slice this on an angle. I don't know what it is, I just like the way that it looks, and I also like to slice a little bit thicker than the stores slice it, so that's why I like to get it unsliced. All right, so now that we've got these sliced, we want to brush them with a really good quality olive oil. So brush on both sides. All right, now I've had my grill plate sitting on my stove preheating for about 20 minutes. You want it really hot. Let's head on over there and I'll show you how to get this done. So we're going to lay our bread on top of that really hot grill plate, and you want to cook it for a couple minutes on each side. We're looking for those really deep, dark char grill marks. It's still going to be nice and soft on the inside, but it's going to be a little bit crispy and toasty on the outside. Whew, is that smoke in here or is it just me? These are done, so just a little extra step optional. I've got half a garlic clove, and I'm just gonna brush the top of the bread. You don't need to do both sides. It just gives it a bit of extra flavor, that's all. But if you don't wanna do this, you can skip it. Let's set these aside to cool down, and we're gonna chop up some onion. Take half a red onion and just slice it up and then chop it up very finely. It's important that it's really finely chopped because it just makes it a much neater eating experience. Whew! Cutting onions makes me really sad. Okay, let's set this aside because we're ready to begin assembling. I'm so excited to show you this because hopefully you guys give this a go. It is so delicious. I just realized I don't have my glasses on. I hope that you're enjoying my first ever savory recipe. I can't wait to eat it. So I just wanted to quickly pop in and let you know that if you are enjoying the video, hit the like button. Hitting the like button actually helps this channel grow, and make sure you subscribe and turn all notifications on by hitting the bell icon so that YouTube notifies you as soon as there's a new video. I can't wait any longer, let's get back to the video. Everything is done. I am ready for this deliciousness. So my toasty bread has cooled. It's a bit of a process and I've kind of perfected this over the years. So I'm letting you in on a secret. So because if you put all of the capers and onions on top, they'll just fall off while you're eating this, and they add flavor, important flavor, like sweetness from the onion and the saltiness from the capers. So as an insurance policy, we're actually gonna add some of those ingredients on top before we add the smoked salmon. So some delicious sweet onion and some nice salty capers. Now we are using very good quality smoked salmon. We're just going to layer that on top kind of in like little waves. And then for presentation purposes, we're gonna add some more red onion and some more capers. Now, because this isn't already delicious, it actually is delicious. I want to make it more delicious by just finishing it off with a good drizzle of olive oil. This here is my absolute favorite meal. Let me tell you, I will never be able to experience this ever again, but whenever a new Harry Potter book will come out, I would make 2 of these and I would just read that book, and I don't think I'll ever be that happy again. But I can relive one part of that happiness, and I'm about to take a bite. The face should say it all, guys. This is one of probably my all-time favorite thing to eat ever. If I could choose a last meal, this would be it. I'm gonna make some more because Anthony's about to get home from work. We're gonna enjoy these for dinner. I hope you guys give this a go. I would love for you guys to give this a go. I know that me making savory stuff is new on this channel. It kind of isn't though, because I have made this recipe before. When I first started this channel, I did make some savory stuff, but then I kind of fell into the sweet and the baking. I thought this was a good first savory one to start on, and I hope that you guys enjoy all of the savory videos that are coming your way. If you've got any suggestions, I feel like I have stuck in my teeth, but if you have any suggestions on recipes you'd love to see me make, please leave them in the comments down below, because we're starting a new thing on the Scran line. We're kind of rejigging everything and restarting everything, and I want to hear more about what you guys want to see on this channel. So leave your suggestions down below, and I'm going to start making a list, and we're going to go on this food journey together. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to see some baking recipes, because this is the only savory one so far, I've got some over there. Click over there, and please subscribe, guys, and hit the like button because it helps grow this channel. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. Bye.